Samantha, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க எல்லாம் சௌக்கியமா? Chennai team, Chennai rockstar macha. All right. So, I'm sure you must have had something in your heart and your mind when you invested in a pickleball team, especially the Chennai team. What was the thought process? Was it spontaneous, or was it a think tank getting together and saying, you know what, this is the sport of the present and future?
To be honest, I'm no athlete. Didn't play any competitive sport growing up. Was just another child in a middle-class family where the focus was always on studies and never on sport. That is why pickleball, because pickleball is a sport that is not intimidating. It is for everyone, and even I at this age can pick up the sport without doubt or fear. And I also think that at the heart of it, I'm also motivated to look at sport with a keener eye because I want to be a part of the change that I wish to see. I recently, I've always been, most people know this, I've been very focused on health, and recently read this survey that said almost 45.4% of adult Indians didn't fit the WHO standards of physical activity. And that stat is really, really scary. And it's only going to get worse. And so I really, really wish for India to start moving. And pickleball could be the way we all get moving.
Wow. So one day you can actually challenge Gaurav for a match, huh?
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. I'm extremely, I can't believe I'm sitting with two legends in sport, and it's just so inspiring. But thank God that pickleball doesn't have any legends as yet, so we're all learning together. So
maybe one day when you pick it up properly, you might become a legend in the sport too. You never know. Yeah, anything can happen with you, right? I know how you master everything you do.
Well, I really don't have an answer for that.
Yeah, Samantha, I just needed to know from you, how would
I think you gave me the solution. I think you gave me a way to promote pickleball. Now I'll make sure that all of my directors add a scene in every film. I'll put it in my contract.
And Sohail, you will not be paid for giving this solution and idea.
And how much are you a sports person also? Samantha, yeah.
Sorry?
How much are you a sport person also?
See, like I said, we love watching sports. I love watching sports, but I'm just so intimidated by it. I'm someone who likes to pick up something only if I know for sure that I'll be the best at it. Now, which sport am I going to pick up? If I pick up tennis, there's no way I'm going to be as good as Sanya. If I pick up badminton, no way as good as PV Sindhu. So I'd rather not even try. Why try? So I think that with pickleball, that's what, it's an even playing field for everyone. Everyone's learning together, and it's building a sense of community. It's building camaraderie, and I think that's what is really, really inviting about this sport.
And one last question from my
Sir,
side.
we charge extra for questions, sir.
Samantha, anywhere if you're doing any sports film, in fact, the kaun sa sport rahega wo, which is little near and dear to you, in fact. Kabhi aisa koi mauka mile aapko?
Now I put my money also in pickleball, and you're asking me to choose some other sport.
It could be anything, that's what I'm saying.
Now I'll be even dreaming about pickleball in my sleep, so sorry.
Hi, Samantha.
Hello.
How are you doing? It's lovely
Good.
to see you again. Like in every sports person's career, you have ups and downs, right? And your personal life goes to the same. You've been through your own. You stand tall and strong.
Excuse me, ma'am. We want only pickleball-related questions.
It is related. It's a sports person question, and she'll answer it very well. Patience. And I feel like that reflects. You think that helps when you pick up any sports, and for you, you've picked this up, what you've gone through in your personal life, and then standing tall.
I think sports really has a big part to play in growth. I think it has a big part to play. I've seen it all around me that, when you are into sports, you just have this kind of discipline, the resilience, you put in the hard work, and this always a sports person, will stand out in a crowd.
Thank you. Can I have the next question, please? Anybody else? I'm doing a count of 3. 3, Any
Hi
questions?
Samantha. I just needed to ask, how much are you a business woman also? Like you feel yourself as an entrepreneur, you know?
As an entrepreneur,
Yeah. How much you have that quality in you?
I'm going to find out now.